How to fix if a user is not logged in Among Us. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix if a user is not logged in to Among Us. Due to various issues, including network problems and internal data corruption, the Among Us servers may not be able to authenticate you. You can easily get rid of this problem by changing your region or fixing the data corruption. After doing some search and test, it has found these significant reasons that can cause this problem. The Among Us server may be going through some technical issues, network related problems from your end, choosing the wrong server or region in the game and corrupted local data. Else, there may be a few more minor things that can create this problem. Fortunately, you can always get rid of the issue if you follow these methods. A true gamer needs the best browser and complete your gaming setup with Opera GX. It includes optimization features for resource consumption, CPU, RAM, and bandwidth limiters. The browser has integrations with Twitch, Discord, and other messengers, plus a gaming newsfeed with a news, release calendar, and other gaming events. Moreover, to keep your site focused on gaming elements, Opera GX includes an easy to enable dark theme. To change region, open the app and sign in. Click on Online. Look at the bottom right corner and click on the region name. Choose a different or correct region. Now find the public game and see if it has fixed the problem or not. To fix local data, close the game if already opened. Press Windows plus R on the keyboard to open Run. Click on the up icon in the newly opened window. Go to the Localo folder, then go to the Inner Sloth folder. Next, go to the Among Us folder. Right-click on the token and then click on the delete icon. Relaunch the game. If you still face the same error with Among Us, it may be because of the network connectivity issue between your ISP and the game server. In this case, using a gaming VPN is the best idea. Private internet access is a great option for Among Us and many other games. This VPN helps bypass ISP throttling and lets you play any games without restrictions. You can easily change the game region and connect to the one of the PIA servers located in a relevant location to get an excellent service.